Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to take you through some of our projects, like more or less like a one-day site visit to different site locations. It's just like showing you what it feels like to be a construction project manager at Umek. Follow us through some of our site visits, the ones we're just able to cover in one day. So in this project, we are more or less at the finishing stages, particularly the screeding and POP stage. So the screeding helps to ensure that every contours of the building is made straight and aligns with what it should be as stated in the drawing. So that is what we are doing right here, trying to ensure that the building comes out very nice by the end of the day. As can be seen also, a number of activities have already been completed, like the fixing and dressing of windows and the doors, the fixing of the railings, and of course the dressing thereof. The POP work is ongoing, as well as this outside screeding, and of course the complete piping of the building had been done. Whatever is remaining now is just to connect all the pipes to the soakaway. So that is the work going on here. So in this project, we have concluded a number of activities, including the plastering, the dressing, the fixing and dressing of windows, and of course all the external doors have been fixed and dressed. Then the POP of this project has just been completed. So we are gearing up for the next stage in the project construction, which is the screeding of the entire project, as well as the tiling and other project activities that are associated with the finishing. So that is where we are in this project. So this is the exterior of the project and the gatehouse. So this visit was to ensure that the POP work was done correctly and there are no errors anyway. And whether if there is anything, then we make it good. Then after that, to decide and recommend the next stage or stages of the project that are to start. So we took a tour of the house to ensure that everything was done and done to taste. Stay tuned with us as we take you through the interior and exterior of the project. So now, just as you enter the building, you are met with these two curved staircases. So by the left hand side is the main lounge, which is more or less subdivided into two. This area now, and of course the side has double volume. Then before the dining area, then of course the entrance door is situated at the middle of the double staircase. As you can see here, okay, that's the POP of the staircase area. So the work was done to detail. And of course you can see how the places are adorned with hidden lights, such that by the end of the day it will be well lit with modern lighting facilities. So under the staircase area is going to be a kind of what I call it, a relaxation and newspaper spot, where one could just sit around and of course have some decorations down there. So this is the dining area here, and of course the parlor room to the left and the kitchen to to the right. So this is the kitchen, a massive one at that. So going up the staircase area, let's have a good look of the POP that is just above the staircase. Here we go. Yeah, that is it. It's more like a circular one. So for this project, we had completed the screeding, the POP, the fixing of the rails, even the cabinet work for the project. So here is just to check, ascertain, and do the finishing touches just before the painting of the project. So that is what this site visit is all about, to ensure that everything is in place before we paint. Stay tuned as we take you through the project. So this project in not local government is a new construction project that we just finished from the DPC to decking level, and of course the burden of the decking is in progress. So that is what we came to confirm, that everything was done as is on plan. So this particular project, we came to ascertain the level of work, and of course, you can see the plastering had been done. Some of the windows have been hung. So, but there are some changes the client wanted to make, which necessitated this visit. So this visit is just to look at all those things, look at the options, and propose the best way to make that change without affecting the structural integrity of the project, and of course getting the best out of it. So that is why we made this visit to this site. So it is on this floor that the client wanted the changes. So here we are trying to brainstorm and find out the best way to handle the change. And of course, after that, we proposed what we think is the best way out. Thank you for being with us this far, and see you in our next one.